her birthday. Oh, she's the one, lighting up the night like the midnight sun. Can't come halfway, no, not today. For this queen on the throne, we all make way. Go diva, you see her, make room for the queen. It's her birthday, it's her birthday. Go diva, you see her, make room for the queen. It's her birthday, it's her birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama Lola! We love you! See you soon! Happy birthday,
Happy 60th birthday, Tita Belen!
Happy 60th birthday, Tita Belen!
Happy 60th birthday, Tita! Happy birthday, Ate!
Happy birthday, Lola!
Happy birthday, Mama Lola. We miss you and we wish you good health and more birthday to come. And Ate Sam, ano ba yung greetings for you? Go, Ate.
Happy birthday, Mama Lola, and more to come. I love you, Mama. I wish you the best years of your life and wish you good health. Just so you know, we love you a lot. Happy birthday ulit, Mama Lola. See you soon.
Bye!
Bye! Bye-bye! Here!
Happy birthday, Inday Belen. More birthdays to come. At bigyan ka na ni Lord na magandang health. Kaya ni Kuya. At marami pang blessing na darating sa iyo. I love you, Ate Belen, and your family. Happy birthday!
We miss you and hope to see you soon. Sending our love from Lagos.
Hi lang! Happy birthday gali sa imo nga ka-60 and more birthdays to come. I love you!
Happy birthday!
Oh. Ano ang ganda-gandaan?
Happy birthday. Nang gabay pa nga damo pa nga birthday magabot sa imo kabakot nga lawas. Kagabay pa nga damo nga grasya nga pagbibigay mo sa imo. Mahal ka namon.
We miss you.
See you soon, Tita.
Happy birthday.
Happy 60th birthday, Ate Belen. No birthday to come and more candles to blow and God bless. Happy birthday.
Hi lang. Saan na bakasyon?
Hi, happy birthday.
Ang wish ko nang mahumanang imo nga balay kay mga bakasyon kami da. Para sa imo nga birthday. Basta sa birthday mo iwaran ako dagay guro. Si Kuya palakta na kay agud to makalagaw kami da. Masulod kami sa Happy Valley. Kagano bagay nang saan akong bakasyon man? nang madungangan ka apo. Amo na sa ang namin nga wish. Okay na, happy birthday. Alright.
Tol, happy birthday. Kagang ma-wish ko lang sa imo nga kung tani makakadto ng mga modi sa Negros. Kag magkinalipay naman ta sa pista nga ini. Amo na tani mambal ko tayo sa inyo.
Okay, so saan ba tayo magsisimula? First, I wanted to greet you happy 60th birthday, Ma, and I wish you good health and more birthdays to come. Please take care of yourself because gusto ko pa makita ng mga apo mo ng matagal pang panahon, especially you and Papa. And saan ba ako magsisimula? Thank you sa pagiging maunawain mo, especially during hard times, at saka sa gabay mo sa aming lahat. You know, you're the best mama in the world for me. And then, I hope that you feel all the love and appreciation that you deserve. Especially, galing dun sa mga tao na nagmamahal sa'yo. And then, always remember na nandito lang kami. Palagi. I'm just one message away. And sorry I wasn't there. I will try to go back home as soon as I can. Yeah, soon. I cannot tell you when, but soon. Makakauwi ako. And then, yun lang. Enjoy your special day, ma. Happy birthday again. And, from your paboritong anak. Kukonta na naman yan si Erica. Sige na, ma. Bye-bye. Love you.